Hey everyone, I'm Miss Guy and I will be your SOC 210, which is Introduction to Sociology, instructor this semester. This video is designed to give you a little bit of information before the semester starts on Monday. So I hope that you take the time to rest, relax over the weekend, but also get ready for Monday. So I'm going to take you through a few things on this video, and all your anxieties will melt away because you'll know exactly what to do on Monday. For starters, I would like to show you what you'll see in Moodle starting Monday. So you cannot see that now. You can log into Moodle, but you cannot actually see our course. You will be able to see it on Monday, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it today. You'll see on the right-hand side of the screen, there is a picture of me and my family. That is my husband, Mark. He is a firefighter and tends our family farm. That is our daughter, Marley. She is almost 12 in the 6th grade. She loves to dance. She does aerial, which is sort of like gymnastics in the air. And she is the drama queen of our castle, as we like to call her. And then the little guy is Kason. We call him Case. He's 5 and recently started kindergarten. He is an avid Nerf war battler. If you come to my house, you're going to get shot with a Nerf gun. And he is a lover of all things fishing. So there's a snippet of my family, and I'm sure you'll hear more and learn more about them throughout the semester. You'll also see at the top of the Moodle page a picture of our textbook. So our textbook is actually electronic, but that is the image that you will see when you get access to our textbook, and we'll go over that in just a minute as well. Please keep in mind that this is an online course, so that does not mean you are required to be logged in at any particular time. There is no requirement of on-campus meeting. It is just simply an online environment where you will do course activities, course assignments, and then submit them by the deadline. Hopefully that works for your schedule. All right. In the top part of the Moodle page, you're going to see some links. This is the welcome video that you're watching right now. So if you're watching it this weekend, don't worry about having to watch it next week on Monday when you get into the course. Here's our course syllabus. I am strongly encouraging you to access that and read it, especially the late work policy. Here is our due dates document, and you will see the due dates and the times and all of the extra information that goes along with deadlines there. And then we have a few helpful links. Here's a discussion board if you want to ask me any questions, and information about accessing the gradebook. Now, to get started on Monday, you're going to log into Moodle, click on the SOC 210, and you'll see what I'm showing you on the screen. The very first thing that you're going to do is the enrollment verification activity. You have to do this in order to be counted present in the course. And so this is the very first activity that you have to do in order for the rest of the course to open up for you. So you'll see as I'm toggling in between each one of these sections here, you can open and close by just clicking on this gray bar. So you will click open the enrollment verification activity section. The first item you're going to click on is the enrollment verification activity. This is going to ask you just a few short questions. You're going to answer them, no big deal. Things sort of like, did you find the syllabus or did you read the syllabus sort of things. Once you are done with that, you are going to be prompted to complete the Nash Community College online orientation. Now, this online orientation is the exact same for every single online course you are taking this semester. So if you go ahead and complete this orientation, or you have it completed because you've logged into another class first, that's totally fine. You only have to complete that orientation once. When you are done with that orientation, a certificate will be awarded to you. You can download that certificate 1,000 times, one time, and save it somewhere. It doesn't matter. As long as that certificate says 2022 to 2023, you're good to go. You will submit that certificate in that link, and then the whole course will open up for you once that certificate is submitted. Now, for the course to open up, it's not going to be every assignment that you are going to be given for the semester. We're only going to open up the section that talks about your textbook and session 1, which is your first section of coursework. So when the textbook and course information section opens up for you, you are going to see what I'm showing you on the screen. That is the process that you are going to use to get into your e-textbook. So you would have bought a link or an access code from the bookstore. You're going to click on the invitation link here on your screen. You're going to input your access code, and then you will have access to our e-textbook. If you need assistance with this, here is a quick start guide listed at the top that has all the contact information for the company that handles this for us, and that is called Rebel. So I can certainly help you as much as possible, but sometimes if there are technology glitches, we do have to go through the route of Rebel. I honestly have never had a student that has struggled or had issues with getting into this, so as long as you're taking your time and reading the directions, you're going to be fine. But go ahead and get on that invitation link, put in your access code. If you have not purchased that access code yet, go ahead and do that quickly, because we are going to get started in our e-text in session 2. Once you have linked your access code with our textbook, you never have to click on that invitation link again. You can always click on the second link here, the login site for the textbook. So hopefully that is going to become second nature for you in just a matter of a few weeks. All right, now after you do that, you are then going to be able to see session 1. Session 1 is titled An Introduction to Sociology. That's just going to get you started in this subject matter. Now, session 1 is going to come with its own directions video and its own email and its own set of directions. So I'm not even going to bother you with session 1. I just want you to see what you're going to see on Monday. And I want to encourage you to just take a deep breath, get a few more minutes of rest and relaxation in before classes start on Monday. I am looking forward to the fall semester with you. And please know that if you need anything, I am just an email away. We can chat via email, we can chat on the phone, we can meet face-to-face on campus if you're here, or we can meet via video chat. So I am open, I am here, I'm happy to help you. I just need to know if you need any help. And with that, I'm going to let you go. And please let me know if you need anything between now and Monday.